Hey, greetings all my hair comrades. How is everyone today? I hope you're doing super good. Rick Douglas here, and I have something to report, I believe, that's of value. Now, you guys know that I have, for a long time now, been a big, huge fan of Superhairpieces hair systems, and in particular, the unit model number HD111. It has been my go-to. It is advertised as disposable, which is at first scared me. And I looked at it online the very first time I ever ordered it. I looked at that word disposable and I thought, what does that mean? And the price was right. And so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna take a chance on it. So I did, and the rest is history, as they say. You've heard me say on other videos before that that word disposable is simply Superhairpieces saying, okay guys, here it is, please be careful. Because it is a very, very natural looking unit, very undetectable hairline, entirely undetectable hairline at close inspection. An inch from that hairline, you can't see anything except hair growing out of your head. And so I've always loved it. But I've switched. Did I really say that? Maybe I should phrase that differently. I've included something else. I've included another option that may be the winner even over my HD111, as holy as it is to me. Now, what I am referencing is, now this is a client's hair system that I've got in my hand right here. I ordered it for him a couple of weeks ago. As a matter of fact, I ordered 2 of them for him. Now, here's what this thing looks like when it comes out of the package, pretty much. I've already cut his template to it. He has a big head. I've already cut his template to it, but I've not done the cutting on it. And generally what I will do is I will put this on a mannequin head and I'll cut a lot of this bulk off and get it really about 70% of the way there. After a little short spiel, I told him, I said, let's order M101V. As a matter of fact, I said, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna order the M101V. And so we ordered 2 of them because you've heard me say it's so much more convenient and saves so much time to have 2 units at a time, because whenever this comes off my head, I will do what I do to let it soak in the C22, lay it aside, and I will have a fresh unit ready to roll to put on my head. And so it's just rip it off, clean up the head, put it in solvent, put the glue on this, stick it on my head. In 5 to 8 minutes, I have new hair on my head and I'm ready to go for the week or 5 days. So what is it that would cause Mr. HD111, if you will allow that, to say, I am ordering M101V? This is an older HD111 on my head. Yep, I know, it looks great. It still holds up, color hasn't faded, it hasn't thinned out, it hasn't done any of that. So if I were gonna try to fix something that wasn't broken, I would fix it by ordering the M101V, and that's what I have done. So just a few highlights and differences between the HD111 and the M101V, without getting into all the technical stuff about it, which you really don't care a whole lot about that. The base on the HD111 is very thin, which is why it's called disposable. I noticed in the very beginning days, I noticed during the whole COVID situation that the HD111 would thin out some. Even the very first time when I would do the cut in, I'd get it out of the box, I'd cut it to fit the template, and I'd do the cut in, and I'd think, oh, this hair's just coming out everywhere. And then somewhere along the way, something happened, and it stopped doing that. I'd get a new unit, and it didn't thin out. This one I've got on my head, it might be marginally thinner for a unit that's 3.5 months old probably. But this is an HD111, And like I said, I've gotten several, so I couldn't tell you how old this sucker out here is, but it looks fantastic. And it doesn't shed, it hasn't thinned out. The color will always fade, but I find that several factors with that is the products that you use on it and how often you shampoo it. And you know me, I shampoo it every single morning of my life. And but it's not dry, doesn't look, you can still see that it's nice and shiny. So hey, that's the HD111. So the skin on the HD111 is a bit thinner, which makes it more fragile. And you've heard me say something about a rick rip. Well, I should have brought a system in that the skin, I've got one that this whole piece right here is ripped off of it, because when I attached it, I got it set back a little too far, so the back edge got into my natural hairline just a little bit, and so that glue sticks to that hair. And so I was taking it off and I'm going ouch, 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 and because I don't have a lick of patience, I just go, well, guess what? It ripped it. So that's why you have to be especially careful with this HD111. The M101V, not so much. The system is more durable. The base is 6 mils, which on the HD111, it's 4 to 5 mils, somewhere in that neck of the woods. So we got 6 mils, and you would think that does not make a whole lot of difference, Rick. Yeah, it does. It does. I have worn a couple of M101Vs, not ripped a single one. They have held up fantastically, no shedding at all. I like the M101V because my bio hair, as you can tell, is still pretty thick. And so the hair on this unit is thicker than on the HD111. I think it's 100% density throughout, and I think it's 110% density right in the front. So I've got more hair to work with. And if you don't have thick natural hair on the side of your head left still, and lots of guys have really thin, fine hair on the sides, this is probably not the unit for you because it's really thick. Now, with that being said, the difference in the HD111 and the M101V is the density, the mil of the skin, how thick it is, how thick the skin is, 6 mils as opposed to 4 to 5 mils. That 1 mil makes a big difference. The density of the hair, that it is more dense. There's more hair on this M101V. As a matter of fact, it's 100% density throughout with 110% across the front hairline. So you've got more hair to work with the M101V. And because the skin, the base, the poly base is thicker, that means that when Superhairpieces hands this to you, they're gonna say, be careful, but not quite as careful as you had to be with the HD111, if that makes a good point. And so there's that. So in the process of fixing what is not broken, I would say, if you want something that's a little more durable than the HD111 and you can handle a more densely populated hair system with hair, then this will be your guy. And with these systems, the hair is soft. It's going to have, this great body wave to it. I get really excited though when I get a system that has more curl in it than usual, because that even opens up the door for a lot more options, because I can blow dry curl out of hair, but I cannot blow dry curl into hair. And so it just opens the door for a stock unit to have a lot more options to each individual. So what would you choose if you were to order a hair system today? And if I could help you and encourage you anyway, and say what I said to this guy, this is Mike, guys. If I could say what I could say to him, considering what his natural hair was like, M101V, hands down, because the density of the poly skin, even though it is thicker, it is still undetectable. So you're familiar with the M101 unit, it's a thicker base even yet, and I've worn that one. And it's a great unit. The HD111, thinner base, worn that, always in love with that one. And the M101V just kind of hits, if this is HD111 and this is M101, then the M101V, if this is the middle, the M101V is about right here. So it's very, very close to the HD111. It just bumps up the durability, bumps up the density of the hair. And so with that being said, that of course is perfect for so many, and it is perfect for me. So HD111, I love you, and I'll be seeing you again. But for right now, I'm buddying up to the M101V. We're like this. So I hope that helps you in some way. Thank you, Superhairpieces, again for all of the things that you do, that are absolutely so amazing to make it possible for all of us guys that got lucky and drew that gene of balding from the genetic pool. You give us hope, you give us happiness and joy and confidence and all manner of other things that will shake hands with those very few elements, which there are a lot. And so until we meet again, try that M101V out. Maybe get an HD111 and an M101V both. Maybe just try both worlds and see what you like the best. And let's do this. So hey, take care. I hope you are blessed, healthy, and happy. Until we meet again, this is Rick signing out. Let's do this. Later.